Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do unboxing of an accessory. It's from Mivi, and this is the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones. So Mivi has been a brand which has produced some really good accessories in India. So they have a lot of accessories, be it the cables, adapters, earphones, headphones. So in this video we'll specifically focus on their latest Bluetooth earphones, the Collar Bluetooth earphones from Mivi, and this is the box pack. So in this video we'll just do a unboxing of this one, and I will also tell you our first impressions of this earphones. So there you go. So the design is mentioned. You can see the design of the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones on the box, and let's see the back of the box. You can see 10 hours playback time, then super solid bass performance, magnetic lock for the earphones, then Bluetooth 4.1. There is noise cancellations. Then design is such that it is secure fit in your ears. Then HD stereo sound and hands-free calling are some of the features, so you can answer calls from this headset as well. So it's basically around the collar. You wear it around the collar, and the earphones are used from there. It's connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and this also has this ability to charge it. So that's the noise cancellation part as well. So this is the Collar Bluetooth earphones. So let's just open the box pack and see the earphones. So there you go. So that's how it looks. So let's just take this out. So that's the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphone. So it looks really good in terms of the build quality. It's pretty lightweight, and it is flexible as well. And let's just take this out. So these are the earphones. So the build quality is really superior, metal build, and looks pretty good in terms of the fit and finish. And you can see there is a magnetic lock as well. So when you are not playing, what you can do is you can just join them together, and this is the magnetic lock for the earphones. So this is the Mivi Bluetooth earphone. So this is the power button, and you can see the charging slot here. So it's a micro USB charging slot. So there you go, that's a micro USB charging slot, and this is how you power on the earphones. So once you're powered on, you can see this is in pairing mode, and once you're connected it, you can start using it. So this is quite a good quality earphone. So when you are not using it, you can just plug it back here. So you can see this is again a magnetic mechanism, works pretty well. So that's the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphone. So now let's see what else comes inside the box. You also get this charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable included. Now let's take this out. We have some other manual included here. So there you go. So they are providing 2 additional buds as well. Different sizes buds are also included, so in case you lose a bud, you can just replace them. Then there is the user manual. So let's just quickly have a look at what all included. You can see the call mode, voice control, double connection mode, then a low power warning is included. So product features: stereo output, Bluetooth 4.1, shut down automatically under unpaired status for 5 minutes, built-in microphone ensures clear hands-free calling, dual pairing pairs with 2 devices at the same time, voice prompt for operation, vibration for call notifications, and you can see the built-in battery is 150 mAh battery, and playback time is 10 hours with medium volume. So that's the specification. So you can also see there is a key here for increasing and decreasing the volume here. So that's the available options. So we have been using this Mivi headphones, I mean earphones, for quite some time. It's quite lightweight earphones for carrying it around. You actually don't feel they are plugged into your ears. It's quite comfortable using for a longer period of time, and this is you can secure it whenever you're not using, so that it doesn't fall off. So overall it looks quite good in terms of the build quality as well. The sound output is again pretty good. We have tried it with the noise cancellation, and it can reduce the background noise to an extent. So these are the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones. Looks quite good as well. So overall the build quality of the earphones is pretty solid. You can see this is flexible one, and looks pretty good in hands, and it's actually lightweight as well, so you don't actually feel the burden of carrying it around. So that's another useful feature. So that was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.